I'm Florin. I'm head baker at Pophams bakery. I'm in charge of developing new recipes, researching and creating pastries. We have like a destination bakery. You go for an experience, and we have so many people traveling just for that, because you get something that's not that usual, something that we try to innovate and change all the time. One of our best sellers at the moment is the Marmite and cheese. You love it or you hate it. We start making it by mixing the dough the previous day. We let it proof overnight, and in the morning start laminating by creating layers of dough and butter. We spread a layer of Marmite, followed by spring onions because it's sweeter, it's not that strong in flavor. After we roll it, cover in sesame seed. The sesame is like an addition, so you get that toasty flavor. It's topped with Swiss cheese and baked. It's nice because it's quite subtle and it's so light and flaky and it's easy to eat. I think what makes this our most popular pastry is the fact that people are skeptical. They try it and they love it. In the first week we made like 30, we sold out, and the next day was the second bestseller. And I was like, yeah, this doesn't go off the menu.